Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to register and create an account for GolfBank online. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is go and get the GolfBank app on your mobile device. So head on over to your Play or App Store, type in GolfBank and go ahead and click on GolfBank Mobile Banking. Download and install that. Once that is done, go ahead and click on Open. And then once you've done that, you want to click on to register. If you've already got an account, click on login, but this is how to create an account. So click on register. And now, do you have any open bank accounts with GolfBank? Click on to yes. And then click on to let's register on the app. And then what you want to do here is put in your civil ID number. And then after that, it will ask for your phone number and then to put in a password and just follow the prompts. And then you will create and register your GolfBank mobile app. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.